Right. Whoa!
Fudge.
Hello and welcome to Widgetlet. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going outside and help some of my friends with technical problems. So my friends sent me a video describing their problem.
Nee, ik ben aan het filmen. Laat me even filmen. Dit is de bel. Met de clipper. En dan hier zit een touwtje vast en zo. En dan een touwtje, daar kun je dan aan trekken. En dan... Zo gaat dat. En nu zit het heel stom hier, man.
So that video wasn't helpful at all. So I guess I should just go over there.
Oh, hello there!
Well, hello.
Hello!
I'm here because of your video to help you with your doorbell problem. So Yaniv, can you tell me a bit more about the problem you were having?
Alright. Well, we bought this house about a year ago. It's quite a fixer-upper, and one of the things that has to be fixed is the doorbell.
Yes.
It doesn't work, first of all. And the second problem is, it's like this stupid stringy doorbell thingy.
Yes.
And well, I thought maybe we can make the whole thing a bit smarter and cooler by introducing a smart doorbell.
All right.
And connecting the two.
Okay, so if I can look a bit better at the construction, then all right. Thank you very much. Oh, okay, see you around.
Bye, thanks.
All right, so let's get started. We've got the doorbell. We've got this power supply, which delivers 24 volts for the doorbell. We have then this motor, which is going to be rotating when we press the knob on the doorbell. And when the motor rotates, it rotates this little wheel, where a little rope will be attached to it, which then clinks the bell. And it's going to be all built in this little case. So the great thing of this is that these holes are very deep, so most of my screwdrivers don't fit in there. So I need to have this attachment on an attachment, which continuously falls out. It's always the equipment, it's never the person. This is going to transform to the right voltage for the doorbell. These doorbells always need to work at somewhere between 16 and 24 volts. So here I put in the main power supply, which is European 240 volts, and it gets out 24 volts if we select this one. I'm going to connect the doorbell. Let's get this one open. This thing in here. These things always relax me. So I wired everything up. We're going to see if the motor starts turning when we push in the button. The doorbell is starting to shine. And now if I press it, the motor started to move. It's only not rotating. I have to check this for a second. So the problem is very easy. The motor is DC, which I'm using, and the current coming from this is AC. So I have this little rectifier, which I will solder on it, and then the motor should work. All right, that smells like Christmas for some reason. All right, so this is sort of connected. And now if I press, we can see that this will start to rotate. If we attach this little wheel on here, the wheel will start spinning, pulling the bell and louding the bell. We should try this at my friend's house and see if it works.
Oh, hello!
Hi! Well, I'm back with a solution.
Great,
so, yes, thank you very much.
Oh, there you go.
So I've mounted this little metal plate here, and this is where the motor is going to be attached, and then when it's rotating it's going to pull the bell like this. I'm going to do a small test to see if the bell will ring if we press the button. Right.
Whoa! Fudge.
That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, so two wires connected that shouldn't supposed to connect, and it didn't go well. Okay, so this is our second try and I've insured all the wires. So let's check if it works. Yay, nothing explodes. Oh, thank God. Let me press it. Okay. Let me try it again. It's also, why is it not? It's sort of working. The motor isn't strong enough. So it's not completely working as it should be. I'm going to redesign it, I guess. Think about it a bit more and come back with a hopefully better option. So it's November now and we started in June or something. And I finally got the new motor delivered and we're going to test it again and hopefully this time the bell will work. We'll see. And then if we press it, the motor should rotate. For fuck's sake. I'm going to check some wires and hate myself. Test number 2, this time it should work. So let's press it. So we didn't manage to get the motor running again. So if you push the bell, nothing. So next time in Widgetland, I will do something completely different. So we finally solved the problem of the doorbell. It took a few weeks. And first of all, I thought it was this little nest thing, that it was fried because the motor had a too powerful current rushing through it when you turn it off. So I added a diode and ordered a new one. However, after trying this setup, it didn't work. And we checked all the wiring and found out that in the app, you need to turn it on for the bell to work. So if I now open this door and press the bell, it works. So in the end, it's always something very small and simple that doesn't work. And yeah, this only took a few months. So great. So my work is done. So please test your doorbell. And it works, great. Well, go check out an electrician to make sure the wiring is all fine. And we're done here. So if you want me to show up at your door and work on something for more than 3 months, like and subscribe and contact me about it.